There's no telling how long Captain Hook's been here.
Well, if Hook's in the neighborhood, I bet he's behind all the strange sounds we've been hearing.
Skully, fly on ahead and scout the safest way through this jungle.
Aye-aye! Oops! Aye-aye, Jake!
Sharky, Bones, watch it with the boulders! Sorry!
Hook! His voice is coming from that direction. Butterfly Bluff!
Come on, let's go!
Wait, where's Skully?
Oh, no!
Who's the pretty bird? Who's the pretty bird?
Skully! Look out!
Yeah! Who's the pretty lookout bird?
Not look out! Look out!
Look out? Look out! Ah!
Shiver me, Skully! He needs help!
I got an idea. Stop lively, men! I, Captain Hook, am certain there be treasure yonder.
Whew! That was close! Thanks, Jake. I better give this mirror a rest.
Yay, hey! We saved Skully and got 4 more gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go, go, go!
No. There should be 2 eyes, not 3. Oh, and the nose doesn't look anything like mine. It's all wrong.
I kind of like it, Captain.
What? Those barnacle heads will never get it right.
Captain Hook! What have you done?
All the butterflies are gone.
Butterfly Bluff is a mess!
Ahoy, puny pirates! You're just in time to witness the completion of Neverland's greatest monument.
You mean the ugliest rock I ever saw?
Hook, you can't destroy Butterfly Bluff like this.
And who's going to stop me?
We are!
Afraid not, puny pirates.
Yeah, wait, Captain.
Going up.
Coconuts!
Smee! A little assistance, please!
What can I do, Captain? You're way up there, and I'm stuck way down here.
We can't let Captain Hook fall, even if he is a sneaky bluff-wrecking snook.
Izzy, this is an emergency.
I know, but there's no way I can throw my pixie dust from here.
Looks like it's all up to you, Skully. You're gonna have to fly the pixie dust up to Hook.
You need to focus, so you gotta give up that mirror.
Give it up to save old Featherhead?
Help! I need help!
Okay. Here I come.
Hurry, Bud!
Pixie dust away!
I'm safe.
Hold on, pirates and popinjays!
Sharky and Bones to the rescue. Oh, thank you, Sharky and Bones.
Isn't anyone worried about me?
Oh, Captain, thank Neverland your ship's shape.
Skully, you saved Captain Hook, and you got 1 shiny gold doubloon.
Ooh!
Captain, don't you have something to say to Skully and the Sea Pups?
Thank you for reminding me, Smee. Puny pirates and puny parrot, thanks to you, my monument's been delayed. But I'm still going to build it, no matter what.
But we saved you!
You're welcome. Now, men, back to work. What?
Ahoy, giant butterfly mateys! Can we all get a lift? Hop on, me hearties!
Oh, dear!
Relax, you swabs! I got you covered!
Now that you've got your home back, could you give Hook and his crew a ride to the Jolly Roger? Awesome!
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.